he's committing. He's holding Buzz's hand, and then it's just this slow, sad, defeated. And Buzz Lightyear just flies off by himself, and Woody's like, "Hey, Buzz, you're flying," and Buzz is like, "Yeah, I know." And the Shrek that was in the show looked like this.
You don't always have a guarantee that you know your belt's on.
Family, you know, what can I say? There's always one. There's always one in every family that's off moving to the North Pole and becoming immortal and stuff. So and at the end of the Tokyo Castle show, it's the best. Where there's a kid sitting with the giraffe on a bench at a sunset. You know what I mean? And the kid's looking up at Jeffrey, petting her. Just look at the sunset, Jeff. Just look at the sunset, you beautiful giraffe. Really does a great job of highlighting how little being Italian has to do with one of the most iconic video game Italian plumber characters in the history of mankind. Rocket Dan, ever-looting Buzz Lightyear through the years. Rocket Dan, making you giggle with his occasional giggles too. Rocket Dan! He kept the long fingers, but also he got the thickest neck. The thickest, most unsettling neck. Kermit just doesn't work like this, guys. There's just one huge body. And then he transforms into the prince and he's like, "Belle, it's me!" You can see Piggy as Piggy Lee in a segment of Muppet Sex and Violence with a new set of eyes that usually people make when they hear that the Muppets first starred in a special called Muppet Sex and Violence. You plug in and then it slowly fills with air until it's all rigid and like taut, like a fully blown up. So that's what happens here. Charles Lazarus was a wise man. And he jumped back, well, until Walmart came around. But we'll get there. I don't know what is going on with this special. I don't know what is happening. Who is this kid? Why is he 15 years younger than the woman playing Belle in Ice Skates?
Did you just make up that song on the spot?
Yeah, I did.
Wow. I'm impressed.
Features the distinctive voice of the witty Jim Hanks, brother of Tom Hanks. What? Children, I've been possessed by an ice spaghetti demon. Did you see how long Kermit's fingers were in that last segment? Oh my God, does anyone want to eat roasted chicken and potatoes with your fingers? This is what they gave us. I can't not laugh at every time it's this. Pay attention to like when the beast starts to like hover and his head just falls off backstage. If a child were to draw Woody, like, first and foremost, the pile of heads in the background, and second, and then the potential stops approximately at the neck. This looks like Buzz found a genie lamp, and for whatever reason, he accidentally wished to be a leather recliner. Because that's what this is. Holy Moses. Those. Yes. This is Nicolas Cage, Buzz Lightyear.
I'm really just an intergalactic protector.
Yeah.
To infinity and beyond.
He is. Why are his pupils so big? That's unnecessary. All right, that's. I almost like choked there. He's doing a little teapot. This is Miss Potato Head. If she was a bootleg mascot that also was made by drag queens. That's what this is. Mr. Monopoly. Oh! This has been Disney's Dan's Discount Mascot Warehouse. If I look at this any longer, he's going to try to hurt me in my streams, and I can't. I can't look at this.